In a world increasingly burdened by waste, innovation paves the way for a cleaner tomorrow. Our team designed an automatic rubbish bin, a cutting-edge solution to make waste management smarter and more efficient. Equipped with advanced technology, this bin detects and responds to its environment, transforming waste disposal into a seamless and hygienic process. What inspired us to invent BinGo? What originally inspired us is the idea to create a solution that combines ease of access with modern technology to handle diverse types of waste. Therefore, BinGo is the ideal invention, for it can eliminate the needs of closed manual interaction, improving efficiency and convenience in waste disposal. Reinvented BinGo is also to solve some challenges faced by the traditional bin. Traditional bins are inconvenient as people must manually approach them to dispose of waste, and manual effort leads to inefficiency and reluctance, especially in public spaces or busy environments where there are rarely trash cans laying around. There are also some limitations of a vacuum cleaner that BinGo can help out. For instance, vacuum systems are unsuitable for larger trash like paper balls or rigid objects.
In our current market, touchless bin use sensor or voice command for hand-free operation, promoting hygiene and convenience. They often feature auto control, smart integration, and sustainable waste management. Think about when you're relaxing on the couch and lazy to get up to throw just one piece of garbage. Annoying, right? Let me introduce our BinGo project. BinGo is a bin that can move to user by detecting comment from user or detect signal from user's phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth.
The objective of our invention is the touch-free automatic waste disposal system enhances accessibility, promotes sustainability, and improves hygiene. It supports individuals with mobility challenges while streamlining waste management for greater efficiency and eco-friendliness.
Well, there are some problems that faced by traditional bin, and this BinGo, it appeared as an alternative product to solve the problem statement that faced by the traditional bin. So for example, this traditional bin, it don't have the wheel, so which means that it can't move to the specific destination to let the user to throw rubbish. Instead, it needs user to go to the specific destination where this bin placed to throw rubbish. But if BinGo bin, it can move to the specific destination, which means it can move beside the users. Users can just throw inside this bin and this bin can back to its original place, which means the waste can successfully be handled. As we said, our product target on disabled people and also senior citizens. Well, some of them might face problems when they need to go to that specific places to throw rubbish. Well, BinGo can solve this problem. It can move in front to the user after you giving a specific comment before you using it, which means it's very convenient, right? You don't have to go to that place to throw rubbish.
Okay, this is BinGo and how it works. So inside, we have this ESP32, which can communicate with your phone through Bluetooth, and it will connect with the Arduino inside. When we send a command, it will process it using the ESP32 and set it to the Arduino, which control the motor so that this BinGo can move. So when we first time using it, we need to setting up a little bit thing, but it is simple. To let you know how to move from your default location, maybe your kitchen, to the destination room you want. We can use a Bluetooth communication app on your phone and send the command to the ESP32. Once it is completely guided and reach your destination room you reach, it will save the movement into a file. So next time when you want to call it to the room you want, you just need to type to the room. But when it's facing dynamic obstacles, the ultrasonic sensor will detect the distance between the obstacle. It will stop the movement and notify you through the Bluetooth communication app when the obstacle problem is fixed. Next time, the bin will automatically avoid the obstacle.
Well, what is special about BinGo? First, BinGo has SD card file management. It allows storing and retrieving bin data logs for tracking and recognition. Next is a command-based operation. As you can see, BinGo is a fully automatic clean rubbish bin. You just need to insert a very simple comment to the bin, and the bin can move to the specific destination. Well, we have made some simple survey from our customer. Our customer mainly separated into 3 main categories, which is senior citizen, differently able, and also able-bodied individual. Since this is just a prototype, we can't give a very accurate result. But we hope in the end of the day, when this product finally released, we can give a very accurate result. First, from the simple comment, senior citizen love this function because this is very simple, it won't be very complicated. So senior citizen can just use a very simple comment, for example, to living room, and the bin can move to the living room. It's very simple, right? Well, next is the obstacle avoidance. Well, differently able individuals love this function since they don't have to get up to put back that bin to the original place to let the bin move again. So this bin can avoid obstacle by the ultrasonic sensor inside this bin.
There are some challenges when we made the product, and here is how we overcome it. First, the challenges is the limited storage capacity on the SD card. And how we overcome it, we had implemented a deletion feature to manage the storage. Like as a user, you can delete the useless rows that have been saved. And here's the second problem, which is balancing compact design with functionality. The solution we gave is we optimize the placement of sensor and use low power compact components like ESP32 microcontroller. For the future plan of BinGos, we will enhance its functionality through waste sorting. Like we will separate the space inside it for non-recyclable waste and also recyclable waste. The second future plan is securing intellectual property rights. We will apply copyrights and patents to protect our BinGo's bins to avoid our ideas taken away by other people.
In conclusion, BinGo combines innovation and functionality to make waste disposal smarter, cleaner, and more sustainable. BinGo addresses waste management challenges with innovation. It provides a user-friendly, interactive solution. We believe that BinGo can make a significant impact on public and private disposal systems.